artist living on the North Umpqua River in Roseburg, Oregon. In this body of work, I'm exploring humanity's interdependence on nature and each other. These circles remind me of volvox, which is freshwater algae. It lives in rivers and lakes, and it forms daughter colonies. All the cells are inside a mother cell, and they have to work together to spin, to work up towards the light, to survive. Hi, I'm Julie, and this is the work of art. This is part of a larger installation I made for the Eugene Downtown Public Library in 2022. I made almost 900 circles out of hand-pulled monotypes on tissue paper. I glued them onto wire, and then I dipped them in beeswax. So I'm using a gel pad for this process. It's an easy way to print without using a printing press. Okay, I'm using acrylic paint. It cleans up nice and easily. It's non-toxic. I have to work fairly quickly here before the paint dries too much. These are marks that I've cut out of canvas, rubber bands, little wire that I twisted. They're green because I've used them so many times. But you can use any kind of marks, any kind of found objects. I cut all these out on a laser cutter from canvas. Squats off all the excess paint. All right, here's the magic.